Every appliance repair tells a story, and here at eSpares, our Fixometer captures those moments. Tens of thousands of people choosing to repair instead of replace. And that number? Well, it's still growing. And it is only made possible through the dedication of the exceptional teams at eSpares. Because behind every repair at home, there lies a world of effort and expertise working behind the scenes. This is where we take you beyond the Fixometer and into the stories that power it. So, what have we discovered so far? We began by diving into the world of the eSpares video team. This team is responsible for the tutorials that guide people through repairs, turning everyday problems into clear, step-by-step solutions. Their goal is simple: to give people the confidence and the knowledge to fix their appliances themselves. And this is what drives so many of the repair decisions counted by the Fixometer.
It really is about empowerment, about giving people the information, knowledge of how to do it, and then also the confidence. Hopefully they can see our videos and think, I can see other people are fixing this part, why can't I?
Confidence is where every repair begins, but those videos don't exist on their own. Alongside them is a whole library of written guidance. Our eSpares Advice Center, working hand in hand to support every step of the journey. In our second episode of Behind the Fix, we took a closer look at the Advice Center, which is often the first stop in many repair journeys. Through articles offering step-by-step support, the team makes repair feel accessible to everyone, no matter their experience level. By removing confusion and simplifying the processes, they help more people take that first step towards repair. And that's a key part of what drives the Fixometer forward. We try to approach it as that one calm friend in the room that says, hey, let's take it slow. Because sometimes all it takes is the right explanation to turn uncertainty into action. And understanding what customers need in those moments, that's where our next team comes in. In the most recent chapter of this chronicle, we got to meet the voice of the customer team. By listening to customers and acting on what they say, this team helps remove barriers, build trust, and make repair more accessible for everyone, playing a vital role in the continued growth of the Fixometer.
Every Fixometer number represents a real person that's choosing to make a repair. So for me to act as the bridge between eSpares and the customer, and then using their feedback to really help support sustainability, cost saving, it is really rewarding.
Because every piece of feedback, every improvement, and every success story feeds back into something bigger: the growing number of people choosing to repair. And all of that, the guidance, the support, the continuous improvement, leads to this. The Fixometer is now standing at over 480,000. That's over 480,000 moments where someone chose to fix instead of replace, saving money, reducing waste, and proving that repair is not only possible, it's powerful. And the most exciting part? This number isn't slowing down. With more people discovering repair every day and more support available than ever before, the Fixometer is set to keep growing, milestone after milestone, as more and more people choose to give their appliances a second life. But there is still so much more to uncover behind the fix. In the coming episodes, we'll be hearing from even more eSpares experts that make it all possible. We'll be meeting with our product data and images team, the purchase team, online marketing, our national distribution center, and others, each playing their own pivotal role in helping customers on their repair journeys. So stay tuned for more Behind the Fix, because this is just the beginning.